Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Hopefully you are all safe and following the precautions. Today we are going to talk about the actions of extraocular muscles. The muscles that move the eyes are called the extraocular muscles. There are 6 of them in each eye. They work together in pairs. Complementary or yoke muscles pulling the eyes in the same directions and opposite or antagonist muscles pulling the eye in the opposite directions. Now we will discuss some basic movements for each of the pairs. The horizontal rectus muscle, which are the medial rectus and the lateral rectus. The medial rectus or nose side muscles move the eyes inward. When working simultaneously, they converge or cross the eyes. The lateral rectus or temple side muscles move the eyes outward, and when they work simultaneously, they diverge or splay apart the eyes. When moving the eyes from side to side, which are their principal function, they work in teams so that the normal movements are smooth and coordinated. For example, to the gaze to the right, the nose side muscles, which is medial rectus muscle of the left eye, and the outside, which is lateral rectus muscles of the right eye, contracts, and their opposites or antagonists are the left lateral rectus and the right medial rectus relaxes. Now it's time for the vertical rectus muscles. The superior rectus moving the eyes upwardly and the inferior moving them downwardly. They are teamed in a similar fashion to the previously described horizontal recti. Because of the angle of the muscle on the eye, these muscles also have an effect on horizontal and the torsional movements of the eye. These secondary and the tertiary actions are generally only of importance in the complicated strabismus. Now, the most complicated extraocular muscles, both in anatomy and the actions, are the oblique muscles, namely superior oblique and the inferior oblique. These muscles, like the rectus muscles, also work in the antagonistic pairs. Like inferior contracts while the superior relaxes and vice versa. The inferior oblique muscles turn the eye upward when the eye is looking inwardly and rotates outwardly when the eye is looking outwardly. The superior oblique muscles turns the eye downwardly when the eye is turned inwardly and rotates the eye inwardly when the eye is directed outwardly. The cranial nerve innervates the extraocular muscles. The muscle move in response to the nerve impulse carried from the base of the brain by 3 cranial nerves, named the oculomotor nerve or the 3rd cranial nerve, the trochlear nerve or 4th cranial nerve, and the abducens or 6th cranial nerve. The trochlear nerve innervates the superior oblique muscle and the abducent nerve innervates the lateral rectus muscle, and the oculomotor nerve innervates the remaining 4, plus the levator palpebrae superioris or lifting muscle of the upper eyelid. This is future optometrist Eqra Fatima, proud to be a part of this optometry fraternity, as well as a proud and dedicated executive member at Optography. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon of this educational channel. And if you have any queries, please feel free to share in the comment section. Thank you everyone.